At the side of a road here, and I came across these barriers in County Roscommon, roadside noise barriers, and just unbelievable. They're like garden fencing panels that have been installed, certainly on roadside. Obviously a vehicle or something struck that particular barrier, but in any event, I don't think I've quite seen the use of garden fencing panels and gaps under the barrier, and the irony is further up there seems to be actual proper roadside barriers. These are probably the worst I've seen, I think, to date, but just incredible, really, to be honest, to think that that's the standard of barriers that can be installed on some projects. Obviously not all projects, thankfully, but just incredible. There you go, fine collection of garden fencing panels. Anyway.